I've got a 500 error on my website and I don't know how to fix it. Let me show you how right now. All right, hey guys, this is Jason. I want to give you some history of how I came across this error and before I actually show you how I fixed it. And before I do that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the notification button so whenever I have a fix like this, you'll get notified of my new videos that I created. Okay, so I'm on challenge day 20, and day 20 is about creating another funnel, right? And so I do my funnels within WordPress. And if you look here, I created this funnel right here, and I have this opt-in, right? And my opt-in, I do it from get response, and I use a short code from the get response that loads onto your website just like this. And when somebody enters their email, they go to it. But I loaded the second one on, and then boom, I had a problem. I got a 500 error. So in the next part of this, I'm going to show you how I did and what I did to fix the actual problem with the 500 error. All right, so let's get right to it. All right, guys, this is Jason here again with multiple streams of income, and I got this 500 error. I'm not going to freak out because it's a pretty easy fix, but it could be quite a few different things that could cause this problem. One, it could be mod security. Two, it could be a PHP version issue. Three, it could be a PHP memory size issue. Or four, it could be a plugin, or number five, it could actually be HT access issue. So we're going to have to step by step walk through. So I'm going to pick the first one, which is going to be the easiest one to do. And I'm going to log into my backend system and go into right here into my cPanel. And let me close this one down and close this one down. And I'm going to go into my cPanel and go into where I have lots of different systems out there, if you noticed. And I'm going to go into mod security. Okay, you click on mod security right here. And I'm going to disable the mod security. Okay, and disable all. Okay, and then that's disabled. Now I'm just going to go back to my website where I have the 500 error and refresh the screen and continue. Okay, refresh and continue. Okay, I'm going to back out of this and I have it loaded again in here. Okay, I got that in there way too many times. I don't need to see all that. Okay, and now I'm just going to update my site. Okay, it worked. Okay, I am able now to view this site and I can refresh the screen. And now I see that I have an opt-in here, an opt-in there, and it worked. So now since I know the mod security was the issue, okay, so I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to leave this disabled. Okay, it's not going to affect any of my other domains out there because they're going to have mod security on them. And if there was another issue and I kept getting this problem, what I'd have to do is go in and start going into my memory PHP. And let me show you whether you do that. You just go to PHP and you go to select my PHP version right here. And then you would change this version to, let's say, 5.6. And if that didn't solve the problem, and you'd say save as current, and then go back and refresh your site again. And if that didn't fix the problem, you switch to PHP options right here. And I pretty much knew it wasn't a memory issue because I've got 512, 128, and 300. So I've got all kinds of memory. So I didn't think it was a memory problem, and I didn't think it was my PHP. I know it's not a plugin issue because I didn't load a plugin to cause this problem, and it could have been HT access, but I didn't. I ruled out the security portion of it first. So that's it. Hopefully if you ever run into a 500 error, there's one of 5 things it could be. So you have to just go through the process. One of the easier ways to fix it is just call your hosting service. They'll fix it for you right off the bat, and then they'll refresh your screen and it should fix the problem. All right, guys, go out and create multiple streams of income and have a great day. Bye.